Hey everyone, today we are taking a closer look at a very interesting alternative to traditional hybrids and pure EVs, the brand new next-generation Renault Clio Eco-G 120. Renault has been a massive player in the LPG market, and they have just dropped a major update to their bi-fuel powertrain. Let's dive into what makes this updated hatchback tick, especially when it comes to the fuel setup and real-world efficiency. If you are familiar with the older Clio 5 LPG model, the Eco-G 100, this is a big step up. Renault has completely swapped out the old powertrain for a brand new 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, adapted for LPG bi-fuel operation and internally known as the HR12. Compared to the previous generation, power is up by 20 horsepower and torque gets a 30 Nm bump. That brings the total output to 120 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque, which is available right from low revs to give you a significantly improved driving experience. For a compact city car, that means acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour happens in a respectable 9.8 seconds, marking a new level of performance for an LPG Clio. But the real game changer for the Clio here is the transmission. For the first time, this LPG powertrain is mated to an automatic dual-clutch transmission, delivering a smooth and dynamic driving experience. Plus, the steering wheel paddles offer direct manual control whenever you want it. Let's break down how this bi-fuel petrol and LPG system actually works. The Clio features two entirely separate fuel tanks, consisting of a 39-liter petrol tank and a 50-liter LPG tank. That LPG tank has an increased capacity, making it 25% larger than before, which drastically extends how far you can go. When you fill up both tanks, you get a massive combined cruising range of up to 1,450 kilometers. The system handles everything automatically, so the switch from LPG to petrol takes place on the fly when the LPG tank is empty, without any action required from the driver. Of course, if you want to select the fuel type manually, there's a dedicated control function right on the dashboard. Now, let's talk about the numbers that matter, which are consumption and emissions. Because running on LPG cuts local pollutants and reduces running costs, it is a highly popular choice, especially where it's widely available in more than 30% of service stations across the Mediterranean basin and Central and Eastern Europe. Bi-fuel petrol and LPG systems reduce CO2 emissions by 9% on average, compared to an equivalent petrol engine. When you're running on LPG mode, the Clio Eco-G 120 consumes from 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, with CO2 emissions starting from 106 grams per kilometer. To put that in perspective, the Clio emits 106 grams of CO2 per kilometer on LPG compared to 116 grams for the TCE 115 automatic petrol version. If you run the new car strictly on petrol mode, the consumption is from 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers, and CO2 emissions are from 122 grams per kilometer. If you want the low running costs of an affordable mobility solution, but do not want to give up the comfort of an automatic gearbox from day to day, this updated Clio makes an incredibly attractive choice for both retail and business customers. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you pick this factory LPG automatic over a standard mild hybrid?